Hello, in this video I'm gonna answer the question, why are your tabs gone in Arc? If you are a new Arc user, then you might be surprised that after some time those tabs that are over here are gone after a specific period of time. And the reason for this is really simple. These tabs that are below this line with clear text are temporary tabs, and they are archived by Arc if you do not use them. If they are not used after a specific time, they will be archived. If you want to get the tabs back, you can click over here in the bottom left corner. You have archive, you can click on it, and then you will see every page that you had opened in the past or recent past, and then you can simply get it back. You can click on it in order to restore the archived tab. Now, if you want to prevent that from happening, or if you want to extend the time, then let me actually start with the first one. So if you want to prevent that from happening, if you don't want tab to be archived by Arc, then you need to pin it. So you need to drag and drop it to the space above the line over here. These are pinned tab, they are below the space title, and those are not removed. You can of course drag it back to the temporary if you later on decide that you don't want to, or you don't need this tab anymore. You can also right click the tab, go to move to, then select the space that you are using, and then click on pinned in order to move it. And if you want to extend the time after which the tabs will be archived, you can go to the top left corner, click on this Arc icon, go to settings, choose your profile that you have. It might say default, and then over here you have archive tabs after, and then you can switch between 12 hours, which is default, 24 hours, 7 days, and 30 days. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.